LPS The Bird Attack, Clip 2, edited by Claudia and directed by Claudia. Here we go. Okay then, but can I go back to feeding my kids breakfast now, or no? There's been a bird who has attacked my town. I had to trap it, so everybody was safe. Thank you. Yes, you may go back to feeding your kids breakfast. I'm sorry about that. Honey, what was that all about? What was all the screaming and the nonsense? Savannah, wake up! Wake up! What is it, Sarah? Mom's supposed to sit stairs up here. I will be going to go get some of my kids' eggs. Suitable for me. Oh, not again. Oh my gosh, I'm coming. Who's there? Oh, hello, Mrs. Queen. Come on in. Thank you. What is it, Mom, that you need, Miss Queen? I would like some eggs for my daughters, please. Oh, that's not it. Here's your little thing for your eggs. There you go. I'm going to bed. Finally, now I can pick some eggs. Wow, the chicken sure has laid a lot of eggs. Let's get these picking. Ah, well, it looks like I have enough eggs for my family. Thank you, and keep on laying eggs. Without me spilling these. Finally, I'm home and I will get the eggs ready. Honey, would you like some eggs or no? No, thanks, honey. I'm on duty right now. Okay, I'll answer it.
Well, we were just wondering if you would like to stop by and come over to our house.
Actually, girls, can you help me, please? Sure, how can we help you? Actually, do you mind if you go get me some more eggs from the barn?
Sure.
Go, please, and bring them back. Okay, now where was I? Okay, I'll answer it. Oh, thank you for delivering my eggs. Can you please give those to me? Thank you, girls. I don't need any help. Goodbye. Okay, now I can give those birds some eggs. First, I must put them in the oven. Ding! Okay, it's time, I guess. Honey, I was very nice to get you some eggs. Now I hope you eat them. Thank you. Even though I'm not supposed to feed you anything, I've made you some eggs. There you go. Enjoy. Children, please come down. Breakfast is ready, finally. Ow! Ah! Ow! Children, your breakfast is finally ready. I'm sorry it took so long, but we had a bird attack our town. But go ahead and eat. A bird? Did you guys see that bird? Yeah, I saw it too. I saw the bird too, Sarah. What about you, Savannah? Did you see the bird? Look, people, I didn't see no bird. All what Mom told us was to go back upstairs, and I just went to sleep. If you people are imagining, I can't believe this. No, I'm seriously not imagining. We both saw. Alright, let's just eat, people. I'm stuffed. Oh. 8 hours later. I think we should go try to find this bird. Agree, let's go. Hey sis, that looks like it's the bird. Let's go check it out. Oh my gosh, I wonder if this bird's friendly. Dad must have captured it. It freaked me out, sis! Look, there's nothing to be scared of. It's just a bird. I'm wondering why it's freaking out. Yeah, me too, sis. I wonder why. Children, it's time to go to bed. We better get to bed before we get in trouble. Yeah. Hey, birdie. I don't take crap like this. You will not be able to fly anymore. Let's prepare for the other wing. You will stay in there, or I will cut you. Whoa! Ha ha. Uh-oh. What do you want, person? I actually have something for you. What do you want? I think it's for your wife. Bring it in. And here's the thing to it. Thank you, bye. What else? What now? Who's there? Come here. Ow. What do you want? Yeah, sir. I actually need to talk to Savannah King, please. She is in bed. You can talk to her in the morning. Now go. You know what? Lily, tell her it's true. She can predict the future. What should I tell her? Tell her it's true. She can predict the future. I know it. I've seen it. You must tell your sister, Savannah, she can predict the future. She just doesn't know it. Just tell her, please. What? No, it's not true. Savannah can predict the future. I need to go tell Father. Huh?
Nick was a very bad man, but that's not how it started. He had a very nice wife named Millie. Millie had gotten married.
What the?
And they lived.
What on earth am I watching here?
But the other must stay. One of you who's been telling the truth so easily.
What am I watching here?
What are you doing? I'm letting you go.
Pause it! This is giving me nudges. Ah! He watches some of it. Here, I'll show you the rest.
Is this thing off me too?
Where's the scariness for this? To be continued. Bye. LPS, the bird attack. End of clip 2. Make sure you rate, favorite, comment, and subscribe. To be continued.